Welcome to this new video tutorial of price drop alert for Magento 2, and using this extension the customers can receive email alerts whenever a product is available at a lower price. Now a registered customer or a guest can subscribe or unsubscribe for receiving the price drop alerts for any of the products within the web store. A customer just needs to enter their email address and click the subscribe button to start receiving the price drop alerts for the respective product. So what we'll be doing is we'll be going to the admin backend panel of this extension in the first place, and we'll be checking what different configuration settings are there for the price drop alert for Magento 2 extension in the admin backend panel. And after that, on the front end, we'll be showing you how the customers can subscribe or unsubscribe for receiving the price drop alert for a particular product. So for that, we'll be first going to the admin backend panel. So here I am in the admin backend panel right now. So I'll be navigating to stores, configuration, and on the left hand side under the webhook block we have the price drop alert menu option, and here we have two settings. The very first one is the price drop alert setting, wherein we can set the status of this extension as enabled or disabled. If you select this option as enabled, then the price drop alert will be shown on the front end, else it would be disabled at the front end. Similarly, we have the price drop alert emails, wherein the admin needs to select the default email that would be sent for the various operations that are happening for the price drop alert, like the price drop subscription email. This email would be sent when the customer subscribes to the price drop alerts. Similarly, we have the price drop alert notification is there. Then we have the price drop alert unsubscription email. So for these three notifications, the admin just needs to select the proper emails for the respective alerts that we have. So after that, the admin just needs to save the configuration in the backend panel. So that was all about the configuration settings of this extension. So now we'll be going to the front end, and we'll be showing you how the customer can subscribe or unsubscribe to the price drop alerts. So here I am on the front end of the Magento 2 web store, and here I have this text box, and two icons are there that look like the mail icons. So a customer when comes here and wants to subscribe to the price drop alert for this particular product or any of the products on which he is at that time, the customer just needs to enter his email address and click the subscribe button. The very first one is the subscribe button, and the other one is the unsubscribe button. So let me show you how this works. So let me show you how this works. So I'll just enter the email address, and after that I'll be clicking the subscribe button. And here you can see that I have successfully subscribed for the product that was the decoration light bulb, and the price currently of this product is $455. So whenever the price drops for this product, I'll get another email for the price drop alert. Similarly, I have subscribe to the email alerts. If I do not want to subscribe, I can enter my email address once again, and I can click on the unsubscribe button, and the system would show that yes, you have been unsubscribed for the product decoration light bulb, and you won't be receiving any of the product price drop alerts. So let me go ahead and let me subscribe once again to the price drop alert for this current product. So this was how the customer can subscribe and unsubscribe to the price drop alerts for a particular product. Now let me go ahead and let me show you how the emails are received, what kind of email are received while subscribing and unsubscribing for a particular product there. So for that, I'll be going to the admin backend panel. So here I'll be going to the option that's the price drop alert, and here you can see that we have an option with the name price drop alert log. Now the admin can check all of the customers or the guests who have registered for the price drop alert subscription. So here the admin can check all the customers that have subscribed to any of the price drop alerts for any particular product or products. And from here the admin can also delete any of the subscriptions that have been set up by selecting the delete option under the actions drop down. Here the admin can also enable or disable the subscription alerts by clicking the change status option and then selecting the enable or disable the notification option as required. So that was about how the customer on the front end goes for the subscription. And here you can see the decoration light bulb with the subscription email that was test@webcool.com, and the product price was $455. So let me show you the emails that the customer has received while subscribing and unsubscribing to the price drop alerts. For that, let me go ahead and let me show you that as well. So this one is the very first one when the customer has subscribed to the price drop alerts for a particular product. So this was the email for that. And whenever the product price goes or drops down below the mark, that is the $456, if it goes below that price, then a price drop alert mail would be sent to the customer. For example, here you can see that the product price for the decoration light bulb is now less from $456 to $455. So that was about the two mails that the customer receives while subscribing and while the price of the product drops down, and that time the price drop alert mail is sent to the customer so that the customer comes to know that the product price has fallen down, and he can go ahead and he can also make a purchase thereafter. So that was all about the price drop alert for Magento 2. And if you have any queries or questions regarding this extension, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.ubdesk.com. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.